Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a absolute pristine example of a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible. The interesting thing about this particular car, it has what they call a Dearborn Award. You bring this car to Dearborn, Michigan, where it has to be judged. You have to get 950 points out of 1,000 to be qualified. This particular car got 981. 47 Ford convertible, as nicely restored as I said, could be done. All the chrome has been done, new paint. The original flathead engine has been cleaned, detailed, done to absolutely the nth degree of originality. This is exactly the way this vehicle would have been found, or you would have bought at your dealership in 1947. These cars were, fewer and far between, especially after the war. The convertibles, of course, were very sought after, but they didn't produce all that many of them. But it's got, this particular example has a very nice canvas top as well, correct leather interior. And if you look at the interior of the dash and the steering wheel, all the amenities in this car are second to none. Again, to get that kind of an award, this has to be a very high quality car. Original radio even works. It has the accessory heater. These cars all had actually power tops, believe it or not, even in 1947. It's got the correct beauty rings, the correct pinstriping with the correct wide white walls for 1947. It is also an original color for 1947. Bumper guards. If we look inside the trunk area here, very nicely done. It's got the original spare, correct floor mat. Very well done car. Well, in this day and age, if a person wants one of these kind of cars, sometimes it's best if you have the ability to buy one all done, such as this one, to this high level of restoration. The thing is, this car can be driven. I mean, it does run and drive, so that's not something that, it's not a quote-unquote trailer queen. The current owner actually would drive it to many of the local car shows and whatnot. It's the Super Deluxe, which means it has more of the extra trim. It's got the dual visors, just a little more of the higher upgraded stuff that, Ford used to try to sell a few more of the higher end vehicles for Ford, which this one would have been in 1947. This is just one of our 85 examples of cars that we have currently for sale. This is absolutely bone stock. We also have street rods, we have muscle cars, many unique collectible cars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Please visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars, and you will find many of our videos of our cars actually out running and driving. Visit us on Facebook, and also check us out on our YouTube website and what we have available at this current time. So thank you for visiting today, and enjoy.